Wow, this place is just amazing. Oh, I'm so glad that I came here. Mud in Pin Valley is the last village before the Indo-Tibetan border. It's quaint and breathtaking, with a few houses and lovely people. Its natural beauty is something that cannot be just described in words. You need to feel it, experience it. The mountains, river, and valley all look so real. I wonder which heavenly place I finally arrived at.
A very good morning from Mud Village. Mud Village is a part of the Pin Valley. We arrived here yesterday from Dhankar. This place is absolutely beautiful.
Mud has 4 to 5 homestays and also a few hotels. More will be coming up in future surely. Our homestay is small and beautiful. It opens up to lovely views of the mountains.
यहाँ से सर 2 ट्रैक है। एक है पिन पार्वती के लिए, एक है पिन बाबा पास के लिए। पिन बाबा पास है वो होता है वहाँ काफनू में होता है एंड, और पिन पार्वती होता है खीरगंगा पे। पार्वती वैली है वो यहीं से होके जाता है।
Yesterday, we watched an amazing sunset from the terrace of our homestay. Today's sunrise was equally mesmerizing. These are the sunrises for which I can easily sacrifice my morning sleep. This is one place where I would love to come and spend a couple of days, or maybe even more, and look around the spectacular surroundings. But all this is good for us as travelers and tourists. Life, in general, is a bit tough for the locals, especially in the winter months. During the winters, Mud village gets as much as 10 feet of snow. Even for medical emergencies, they have to go all the way to Kaza. It's 7 a.m. in the morning and we are out exploring the village. The villagers are now taking their cattle and yaks for grazing to the mountains. They usually take the cattle 7 to 8 kilometers away from the village on the mountains. And now we are back to our homestay for breakfast. Well, the food here is quite good. Yesterday night we had chili chicken. And now for breakfast, Biju bhaiya, 2 sandwich.
Okay,
The kitchen is just below the small hole. And what Agni is trying to do is put the GoPro through the hole and scare the cooks. After a heavy and tasty breakfast, we are going to explore the village once again. This time, we are going towards the Pin River bank. The landscape of Pin Valley is a bit different from the rest of Spiti Valley. There's a lot more greenery in Pin Valley compared to other parts of Spiti Valley. We are actually seeing a lot more greenery in these parts today. These farms that you see, they grow matar or peas. Oh, we have a friend with us and they seem to be showing us the way. Hiking for a few minutes, we reach the Pin River. This place is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like sitting here the whole day long with a new friend. So let me tell you one thing. Whenever you are planning a trip to Spiti Valley, Pin Valley must be included in your itinerary. While you can do a day trip to Mud from Kaza, staying one day here is highly recommended. It is now time for us to move towards Kaza. We took the beautiful journey through the treacherous roads looking at the beautiful sceneries. And finally, we reach Kaza. Hope you liked today's episode on Pin Valley. In our next video, we are going to take you to the land of superlatives. Highest village, highest post office and highest polling stations. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and as usual, I will be waiting for your comments. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet done so, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss an update from us. Until then, goodbye and see you soon.